friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Forest Lawn, a diverse neighborhood located in the southeast area of Calgary, Alberta. Known for its rich cultural tapestry and strong sense of community, Forest Lawn has been a welcoming home to many immigrants and families over the years. Historically, Forest Lawn has been a hub for small businesses and local shops, contributing to its lively and bustling atmosphere. Situated just east of downtown Calgary, this area offers easy access to the city's amenities while maintaining its own unique character. With a variety of parks, schools, and community centers, Forest Lawn is a great place for families and individuals looking to experience the diversity of Calgary's multicultural community. Calgary itself is a large city in the province of Alberta, sitting at the point where the prairies meet the foothills of the Rocky Mountains. It became a city in 1894 and grew quickly because of the railway, ranching, and the oil industry. Today, Calgary is one of Canada's major cities, known for its energy sector, clean streets, and friendly people. The city is also famous for the Calgary Stampede, a huge rodeo and festival held every summer. With a mix of modern downtown life and access to beautiful natural areas, Calgary offers the best of both worlds. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Calgary, Alberta. Thanks for watching!